The cuatro has 5 sets of strings, or 5 courses, which basically means it's 10 individual strings that are grouped in groups of 2. And in this video, we're going to learn the names of these open strings. Let's start off with the high notes. We're going to go all the way down to the first string, all the way in the bottom, and that's called a G, or sol. Please note that I'm not pressing any notes, any frets right here on the fretboard. I'm just playing open strings. Let's go again. First string, G, or sol. Right above it, we have D, or re. D. Right above it, we have A, or la. La, or A. Right above it, we have E, or mi. So again, we have E, or mi. And our last string is string number 5, which is called B, or C. Let's review that one more time. So we have 5 strings. The first one, all the way in the bottom, is called a G, D, A, E, and B. In Spanish, it would be sol, re, la, mi, y si. And those are the names of the open strings.